Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an acrylic pour. Let me just move this one over to the side so I don't get paint on it because it's still wet. Alright, so I'm going to get my cups. 1, 2, 3, 6 colors. 6 cups. And then one big one for mixing all the colors together. I'm going to be doing white, black, silver, and then a variety of blues for this. I have these little like popsicle sticks for stirring. That's just what I normally use because I have like a giant ass box of them. So kind of like why not, you know? And then I have this Soapy water and Floetrol. And that's what I'm going to be using. Let's make this so you can actually see what the hell I'm mixing. Boom. Oh no, paint. I love how I say that as literally my hands are about to get covered in paint because I don't wear gloves because I'm smart. Okay. I already put color over. So let's start with white. Just put, you know, let's be honest. Some people have like a whole measurement. I just eyeball it. I am not even gonna lie to you guys. Add a little bit of water, soapy water. And then we just mix. Ah! Damn, already? I just started. And once I've got that just like kind of mixed, I'll add in my Floetrol. And again, I just eyeball it. Probably definitely don't need this much white, but you know, that's what we're getting. Yay! And now, to mix it all into our big cup. I guess I'll start with the white because I messed up and I made way too much white. Watch me literally use this much white though. Just watch. Of course, got paint on me. Oh, sorry about that finger, guys. Was not paying attention. Okay, and then we're just going to do a good old traditional flip cup. So oh wait, hold on. Guys, I'm a mess today. I am so sorry. Flip. I just use a container for this, what I found when I started, and it works, so, but it just balances better because it's a little bigger. Okay, so you take your cup, you take your canvas, put it on top, try to center it the best you can. It won't be centered, but it's fine. And just flip it. Now let's just, let it run. While I drink some H2O. Kids, make sure you drink water. It's good for you. Me pretending like I actually drink a lot of water. I don't. Okay. And then now just kind of run it along my corners, because then once the paint gets there, it kind of helps it flow. There's actually a lot of black in there, so I'm excited about that. If you look at any of my pieces, you will see that I am much more of a like black negative space person than white. And yep, guys, we don't waste paint. Alright. Perfect. Oh my god, I'm getting so much paint on my Fitbit. Oh wow, this is turning out so different. Look, smear some paint here because it's having a hard time merging over here. Alright, I like it. I like it. Turned out very different than the last one, but I'm not mad at it, you know? You're really gonna see the glitter in this one, so that's exciting for my glitter friends. Alright,